Here in West Hills, finished a project here for Mohan brand. We installed a bunch of fence stoppers, a tandem gate, which we're going to show you in a second how it works, and a pedestrian door right there. And these fence stoppers, the wall goes that way. We also installed the lights today. So this is a tandem gate because our space here was limited. So we got two leaves basically rolling, one at half speed and the other one at double the speed. So that way both of them can squeeze into half of basically the size of the driveway when they're fully open. This is our Italian operator. It is a small rack and pinion style operator, which is ideal for this type of installation. Very small footprint, but still powerful. Here's the pedestrian door. Works like a charm. We even made a little notch here for the mailbox to make sure that everything fits properly, but everything came out just beautiful. Mr. Lal, how do you like your new gates, sir? You like them?
That's so good.
Perfect. Pleasure doing the work for you, sir.